The best way to prepare chicken leg. Start by making a few cuts into 4 chicken leg. Season with lemon pepper to taste, salt to taste, and black pepper to taste. Rub the seasonings well, including inside the cuts, using your hands. Flip the thighs and repeat the same process to season evenly. Let the chicken marinate for 15 minutes. Next, add olive oil to a skillet. Add the chicken leg. Fry until they are nicely golden. Flip them to ensure even cooking. Remove the thighs from the skillet and set them aside. In the same skillet, add more olive oil. Add 1 chopped red onion and 1 chopped white onion. Sauté until they are tender. Then, add 2 minced garlic cloves and mix well. Season with salt to taste, lemon pepper to taste, and curry to taste. Mix everything. Pour in 7 ounces of heavy cream and 3½ fluid ounces of milk. Mix well until you get a sauce. Cook for 2 minutes. Now, return the chicken leg to the skillet. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Flip the thighs and cook for another 10 minutes. And that's it, our delicious chicken leg with cream are ready. The flavor is simply magnificent. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like our video. And if you haven't joined our channel yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our creations. See you next time.